Okay, we are back. And hopefully, the super chat will start working as we wait for more people to come back into the live stream. Man, it kills me that I had to restart the stream like that. I really don't ever like doing that because it just kills my stream. It just kills the amount of people who come in here. Okay, today was the 31st. That was the previous one. Let's see here. Let's see if this works. Welcome back, everyone who is joining. Go ahead and see. Okay. Yep. Okay, so we're back up. We're back up. We're running. Go ahead and put my post back out. I'm really sorry, guys. Sorry this is happening. I've been having issues with streamables lately. I wonder if I have to update the program. I just don't understand why it's been doing this lately. So, hey, Dad. What's up, James? I don't know if you're in here right now. People call me Dad in here. I think it's funny. Pin the message. Okay. Restarting. Hey, it's working. Woo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. There we go. Okay, we're back up. We're back up. We're running. As we lost like 75% of our viewers, that's okay. We'll just get back into it. We'll wait for people to continue joining. We'll hang out with the chat while everyone comes in. What's up, Ray Williams? What's up? How you doing? Hey, there we go. Fernando, thank you for the 5, man. I really do appreciate it. You want to go ahead and take a look at Orchid? We can look at Orchid, but Fernando, do please read the description down below. It is a minimum contribution of $10. So if you get that other 5 in there, we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at Orchid for you as well. So thank you very much. Stream on Twitch. F it. Maybe. I mean, well, Streamables is like where I can stream on YouTube or Twitch. Like, it kind of gives me the option. It's just kind of like the program that enables me to have like these overlays, to have my camera here, to do things kind of like, you know, this little, you know, be right back kind of stuff. It's just like the overlays that I have with it, that just kind of gives me more options, and sometimes it glitches out and it's, I don't know really what to do about it. I really don't know what to do. Amex did take my donation from the last chat. Don't know if you can see it on your ends, if you delete the stream. Did it really, Atomic? It went through? Let me check over here. Thank you, Fernando. I see. Okay. So I'm seeing that they're coming through right now. And everything that just came through. I have Fernando and Greg E on here, Atomic. Thank you, Fernando. I really appreciate that. I'm not sure what happened, Atomic. I'm really sorry. I'm not seeing it on my end. Normally it would pop up in my YouTube. It would pop up in my Streamlabs. Thank you so much, Craig E. What's up, man? Thank you. Really appreciate that. Okay, so we're going to take a look at Orchid. Got another mid-cap low gem for you. Please do a TA on Win. Really? It's called Win? You better win. It's under Wink. Oh, dude. I used to stake in Wink. It's the on the Tron pair. I used to go to wink.org or wink.io, and I used to actually, they had like a gambling kind of system that they had over there, and I used to gamble with Wink. I know exactly what you're talking about. I used to hold that a while ago and it just didn't do anything for me and I sold it. But yeah, let's check out Wink for sure. Tether US on Binance has the best chart. Okay, you got it. Let me see. Wink on Binance. Okay, definitely. We'll take a look at that. Atomic. Yeah, dude, I'm really sorry, dude. I don't know. It took it, but it didn't do anything. I'm not seeing anything on my end. Let me see. Let me refresh. Let me see if it popped up over for you, Atomic. Yeah, Atomic, I'm not seeing anything over here, man. You might want to double check and see if it actually went through. Okay, so we're having more people come in. Awesome. Ray Williams, almost been enough profits to buy a dog I was telling you about. Crypto. No, oh, really? Crypto will be his name. That's awesome, dude. I love dogs so much. What kind of dog are you going to get? I'm really curious to see. Billy Bob Fireworks. Hey, Leland, if you ever roll through Alabama, stop in. I will hook you up with some free fireworks because of the money I've made from your TAs. Dude, yes. Okay. if I ever go through Alabama, if I'm ever going to be going to like Disney World or something, and I'll stop by in Alabama, I'll definitely hit you up over there, Billy Bob. That would be so sweet, dude. Get some fireworks, get some artillery shells or something. Gosh, what was it? It was like was it two? Yeah, it was 2 New Year's ago where I went out and I bought a bunch of fireworks. I actually bought too much. I couldn't set them all off in one night. It was just like back to back. I was telling other people like, hey, just go light these and let's get a big show that's going to be going on over here. So I am the Fox. Where's the $3 GRT? Didn't even hit $2. Don't worry about it, man. Throughout time, it will happen. GRT is on its way. We're getting the resumption off of it right now, but what can you be mad at? It's just been green candles every single month since GRT has been released. Don't worry, my friend. It is on its way. It is coming. Wow, Ethereum just blowing up right now. We have some coins that we have to get to. We're going to be checking out Orchid here. But look at this breakout that we're having. Beautiful breakouts. We have a $2,500 Ethereum in our sights is where we're going to be going. Very happy. Very happy with Ethereum right now. Looking really good. Let's keep pumping today. I would be very happy to see how high we can go. Already up 3% on the day. Okay, let's go take a look at Orchid. Beautiful. Beautiful. You still being held down by that resistance over here. You're just hanging above, trying to stay above that 70-cent area, which is going to be the 618 on our Fibonacci. But let's go ahead and let's go move over to the daily, and then we're going to go over to the 4-hour as well. But look at the negative momentum you are building. We saw something very similar in another chart. I can't remember which chart it was, and it played out very nicely where we had this negative momentum moving to the downside as price action was moving to the upside within the charts. But also with that, what you were seeing is you're seeing negative momentum moving to the upside, which is really bullish. You're about to turn into the green over here on the histogram, which I think you're probably going to start seeing breaking through that 70-cent area up to the 83-cent area. I know that's kind of small for you guys to see right here, but as you can see on the stochastic RSI over here, we've already gotten our move to the upside. We're above the 20 right now, and that's exactly what we want to see. Have this momentum start moving to the upside as we attempt to try to go over to 83 cents. Let's go look at a short-term kind of time frame. This is the longer term on the time frame. Here's our Fibonacci. I know it's kind of been a while since we've looked at the whole thing, but it's being played out, and it's just, it looks very pretty. Very pretty. And look at this trend line that actually got supported, and we can actually take that up to about right there. A little bit of a fake out, to the downside during that time. You're above the 21 EMA, looking massively bullish. You're coming back for that retest at the 70-cent line. It's going to take some time, but you know, don't worry. We will be able to get that breakout as we are testing that 70-cent line, going back up to 73 cents. Go to a 4-hour chart. Let's see exactly what's going to be happening in the short term. So nice. Check this out. So you came back, you're retesting. Let me just zoom in on this so you can see this. Man, we lost so many viewers. I'm so upset about that. Come on, YouTube. Not cool, dude. You can see that we're just hanging around that 70-cent line right there as the stochastic RSI is going below the 20. Dude, this is really bullish. Really bullish. We're going to start getting that momentum to the upside. Whoops, let me move this back over. We're going to start getting that momentum to the upside right here. Get that cross, and we'll start moving to the upside right there. We're sitting like a little bit actually below this, you know, smack dab in the middle. It's gonna be the 48 on the RSI. You can see we're still in a consolidation kind of period. We haven't quite broken out yet. It's taking a little bit longer than anticipated, and actually this formation right here, when you have a breakout out of the formation and it jumps back in, that even makes it an even stronger case. And you can see I'm going to take that from right there and we're going to put it over here. Can we go out? Yes. That was a very beautiful resistance line that we had in the past over here. You can see we're above it for quite some time. Then we dropped below it, and then it was resistance, resistance, resistance. You got above it. It was support, and then it broke down. According to Balkowski, if you've ever heard of Balkowski before, Balkowski talks about how when you have a breakdown or a breakout of a formation and it jumps back in, it makes it an even more powerful move once we do get the breakout. You can see we attempted to have a breakout over here, got shut down by that resistance, and we can actually move this up. Let's go ahead and move that up just a little bit. TA is constantly changing all the time. So you can see we're still in this formation right now, approaching. We're actually about, or we're at the apex of that triangle right now. We are going to be looking for moves to the upside as we start getting really comfortable between the 618 to 786 on Orchid. Get that breakout of that triangle. We're still in it right now. Need to be a little bit patient. Come back for the retest before we can come up to 81 cents. Once we get above 81 cents and get the retest, we are gone. We are out of here. We will be breaking $1, probably even higher. I'm probably going to be expecting a $2 range. That's going to be happening here very quickly, especially throughout the next couple months, probably sooner than that. But we all know that September is really not the greatest month for Bitcoin. Typically, it's a down month. Typically, we have red within our September. Sorry, not September. September is one of those months, but for March is typically a down month for us. So the fact that Bitcoin actually was up like 26% for this month, or maybe even just slightly a bit higher, is actually really bullish, because it's really not that the greatest performing months we see, and that's going to be reflecting in alts as well. So when Bitcoin really starts to pump and it starts moving, that's when you're going to start to see these coins start moving as well. They're not going to be pumping as much as you would like. They're going to be moving with Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is definitely going to be taking the show. It's definitely going to be taking the gains. Wow. Ethereum above $1,900 right now. Let's freaking go, dude. That is so awesome. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Blows my mind. So that is where, but dude, what's really nice right here, okay? I know it's getting kind of boring right here. We had this peak over almost hitting 91 cents. We were trying to go up to $1 and that just didn't happen. That's okay. But look how bullish we are with an Orchid. You see back here where we try to get above the 618. Those were the attempts that we had. Even back over here, trying to get through that 618. Couldn't do it for quite some time. Then boom, we had that break to the upside. We came up and those bodies of those candles hit the 786. Totally fine. It's actually exactly what we want to see. We want to see that resistance at the 786. We came down and man, we had a huge sell-off at that point, but people were really bullish. Check out the bullish engulfing candle that we had on this this is a daily. These are daily candles. So that's even stronger, has a lot more weight to it. That shot us back up into that formation and within that triangle, and we're just hovering around that 618. When we have the breakout of this triangle, dude, I'm telling you, we're going to be going much higher. We're going to be going up to the 786, 83 cents, but that is the test. We're not too far away. That is the real test. Get above 83 cents, turn it into support, and my friend, we are going to be gone. It is going to be crazy. Next area of resistance that I'm going to want to be seeing is going to be that $1. It will take some time for us to break above it, but once we do, there's a pretty big gap, and this is where most of the gains are going to be made, is going to be between the 100% retracement up to the golden mean ratio. When you go up and you hit that golden mean ratio, my friend, that is going to be resistance as well, but we're not stopping there. That's going to be up to $1.22. And then after that, the 1414, $1.33 is going to be next. And then the 1618, $1.50. After $1.50, my friend, people are going to want to see $2 really quickly on this thing. And we're going to be moving up to the 2618, which is going to be $2.30. And after that, yes, I'm looking at the 4618 over here, which is about $4 in time. In time, this will happen. Don't forget of the massive run-ups that we've had since the bottom over here. Just from the beginning of the year, we're up about, we can actually take this back way back here, from here to the top that we had over there, 320%. So if you had bought at the beginning of the year, you're sitting really nice right now. You're looking really good. A lot of gains to be made, still looking really bullish. I love Orchid. It's doing really good things. Massive negative momentum moving to the upside, and it's just a matter of time. Got to be patient. Really got to be patient. Yes, Ray Williams says patient, Foxy. Yes, I agree. Definitely have to be patient with these kind of things. Nick, I can personally crash the crypto market by going all in, mostly because I have trash luck. Wait, so you can crash the market by going in? How would you crash the market by buying? Wouldn't that just make the price go up? Unless, you're buying OTC and then you're selling? I don't understand that comment quite that much, though. Nick, hello. Or it was Caitlin, actually. Kaylin, hello. Got ZAA. Buy Wink Crypto, available Binance. Everyone's bullish on Wink. Why are you guys so bullish on Wink? I haven't taken a look at Link in quite some time. Grab some water. Nice. You made thousands of dollars on Orchid. Sweet dude, that's awesome. I'm really glad you were able to make some money. That's the reason why we're here. It's a huge reason why we're here. Craig E. Yep, I bought 1 million Wink coins a few months ago. My gains are insane, and it just keeps going higher. Okay. I want to see what you guys are talking about with this Wink thing. I actually took Wink off of my charts because gosh, it was doing nothing for me for the longest time. Up 32% today. Where did I buy Wink? Oh my gosh, is it really? It really has been taking up. The reason why Wink is going up is because it's paired with Tron, and Tron has just been going up as well. So these trading pairs are just coinciding, and they're moving up higher and higher. Oh, I'm so disappointed. I had Wink down here. Actually, before that, it was, oh my gosh, that hurts. That hurts. I literally bought Wink at the low over here. My buddy Dan the man, he's in the Telegram. He's the one that got me into crypto and mining, and he told me to buy Wink, and I didn't hold on to it. Man, insane gains. Wow, 600%. Crap. Crap. That's crazy. Well, that's awesome, dude. Congratulations on your gains over here. I believe that was Craig that sent that. So yeah, Wink looking really good right now. I'm really jealous actually, because that sucks. I should have stayed in at that time. Let's go ahead and take a Fibonacci. Wow, you hit that 2618 perfectly. You see how you broke the 1618 over here? And then there was literally no resistance after that. Kind of like what we were talking about in Orchid. It just, boom, there's no resistance. That's the next level of resistance. You can see Wink has hit that, and we're having a bit of a cool off. That is on the daily. What's going on with Wink right now? You were overbought. You are showing some hidden bearish divergence. I'm not going to lie to you. You're showing it on the RSI right here. Your strength is weakening. You actually came up, and look, you hit the resistance on the RSI, and you might be taking a little bit of a downturn right now as you consolidate, you've made some pretty big moves, but you hit that resistance on the RSI as well as the 2618 over here, which is going to be 0.000123, 3 zeros, 59. Wow, thing is so cheap right now. But nevertheless, you can still pop above that. You can still break that resistance if you wanted to. You can see in the past that you like to come up to about, actually, there's not that much data on here. I really miss TronBet. I miss playing the moon game on TronBet. I don't encourage you guys to go gamble, but it was a lot of fun. It was on wink.io, and you can turn your Tron into these tokens, into these coins over here. I believe you can turn them into like Dice, Wink, Suncoin. You can stake them. There's actually like daily dividends that you can get paid on every 24 hours just by holding Dice, which is a part of the Tron pairing as well. They're all very kind of similar because they're all created by Justin Sun. But I lost a lot of faith in Justin Sun. A lot of people talking crap about Justin Sun. So I'm wondering what kind of news came out for Tron that caused it to be going up. That's still really good. I probably wouldn't be holding that much Wink either way, as I don't hold that many altcoins. I mean, my portfolio, like 90 something percent of my portfolio is in Bitcoin and in Ethereum. So I'm not too disappointed in it, although it's, it's really nice to see that these coins are pumping and people are making money in the short term. So areas of support that I'm going to be looking down for below. Well, actually, let's talk about movements to the upside, because that's very possible. You could still be moving to the upside. A lot of selling pressure at that 2618 on Wink right now. You actually had an inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour chart that played out very nicely. You were sitting right about, yep, that's the inverse head and shoulders right there. If you can see that. Inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, and then we have the right shoulder. It had the breakout, came back for the retest right there. Breakout, retest, boom, took off. The measured move for that actually was exceeded. So if you go down from the middle of the neckline all the way down to the tip of the head, and you take it to the breakout, you can see that the 4-hour candle. So this was actually more than 4 hours ago. But you can see that 4-hour candle, you hit your target and you started moving more to the upside. But when you did that, you started breaking previous highs over here, which made people more bullish, and they started putting in their buy orders. But a lot of selling going on right now as you hit the 2618. Yes, we know that. You said that repeatedly, Leland. But it wouldn't surprise me. You can see how we broke out of this resistance at the 1618. Let me just shorten this up just a little bit so you can see that. Yeah. The 1618 over here, which is going to be 0.00042, that was a previous resistance. Yes, you did get above it over here, but you only wicked above it. You never really had any bodies close above it or turn it into support. Also had resistance here as well. And when you finally broke out of it, you came back for the retest. It's kind of a retest. I'm willing to bet you're probably going to be having another retest. Before I think you can go any higher. I could be totally wrong. You could just continue to freaking go up even higher, and that's kind of what you see on these pairs that just continue to go up and up and up. Let me shorten this because it's actually way too long. There we go. That way we have a better visual of what's going on. But you could totally just blow past the 2618 and go all the way up to the 4618, and that's massive gains away. I mean, massive gains away. Not a lot of resistance up until that area. You're sitting about 73% of the way. With my experience with Wink in the past, you could do that in a day. Yeah, Wink would have massive moves to the upside, and it's just one of those low market cap tokens that is very capable of doing something like that. But what I would like to see with traditional TA, by looking at the 4 hour, you can see that you're already up here with between your oscillators. It's the 12 and 26 day moving average. You're creating this green on the histogram. You're overbought right now, and you're having that stochastic RSI, which is going to be about maybe crossing soon and be having a downturn. That's why I think the 1618 is going to be an area of support for you. These things like to move up and down really quickly, and we're talking about a 20%, almost a 20% move to the downside. That's very possible for that to happen. So watch out for that. Watch out for that. If you're in gains right now, congratulations, maybe just hodl. But this thing is probably going to be moving much higher, much quicker within the next few days. But yeah, overall, Wink not looking too bad right now. You can see that you wanted to take a cross on the daily. That just didn't happen. That's when you had that breakout and you're running to that resistance. So not looking too bad right now. Not a whole lot of data that I can give you on this other than, yeah, dude, you're past all the previous data. I guess this was the ICO that came out when it was introduced. Gosh, I remember Dan telling me about it at that time. Ugh. Man, I kind of wish I would have stayed in it at this point. He keeps giving me crap about it. He's over in the Telegram and he was like, you missed out, dude. You missed out. And I'm just like, that doesn't help me. Don't tell people that they missed out on a coin. Like if it starts shooting up and you're like, hey, remember when you bought that coin you sold? Well, it's at this level now. It doesn't help them at all. It just makes me feel terrible that I missed out on a trade like that. But nonetheless, congratulations to Dan. If he's still holding Wink. I actually don't even know if he's still holding Wink. So I'm not the only one who got out of that coin. But for you, Craig, awesome job, dude. Looking really good right now. Very bullish. Be careful because these things really like to take downturns. They're really volatile as the market cap is not that very high on these kind of things. I want to go play. I want to show you. Can I just show you guys the Tron.io thing? The Wink.io. Okay, that is not. Maybe it's tronbet.io and then it converts it over into, oh, it's wink.org. Sorry, wink.org. So it was tronbet.io, but now it's wink.org. Are you still down? Yeah, so you could do gambling over here. They have the moon game. I don't want to show it just because that's not what this channel is about. It's not about gambling. It's about making cold, calculated, and robotic decisions to, have things work in our favor. But nonetheless, I don't really have a whole lot else for you other than that's going to be a support level. But dude, once you break the 2618, you're going up to the 4618, which is going to be 73% of the way from where you are right now. Okay. I don't think you're going to go anything lower than 0.00042 on Wink. I just don't think that's going to happen. Is my mic work? Yeah. So yeah, dude, we have our supports, we have our resistances. This is just one of those kind of like moon coins that can just take off and go like crazy. And I'm still feeling really bad about myself for not staying in it. Right now, EOS taking off. God, EOS is a piece of crap though, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Like it has been the same price for the past 2 years, and it's just like, what are you doing, EOS? Like it's just. But we can take a look at it if you guys want to. Definitely for sure. This might be a little bit shorter of a live stream today, as we're not getting as many as requests as we normally do. Is it working? Are you guys able to do it? I know we were having trouble with it earlier. I hope that's not the issue. That would suck. I would not like that. If you want bull Who else we got in here? Crypto Greg, hello, just got here. Covered Phil yet? No, we haven't not covered Filecoin at all. Portal Mind, welcome back, Portal. How you doing, man? Did you see MTL Moon? Nope, I haven't seen that either. What else we got in here? Matt James, hello. VChain, welcome back, Matt. How you doing, dude? Good to see you. Too bad YouTube won't let me donate. Oh gosh, this is such an issue. This is the whole reason why we do these live streams. Wink hodl for me so it could bring retracements and higher term. Okay. Yeah, right on, dude. Yeah, dude, hodl. Hodl. I mean, why not? Nope, not working. Son of a gun. What do I gotta do? What's a guy gotta do to try to fix this? Why is it not working? That's such crap. That's such crap. Can you guys try using the 1UpCoin link? Max, can you post the 1UpCoin link in the chat? Can you guys try using that instead? Try doing it in crypto. I would actually prefer you guys use the 1UpCoin link instead, because YouTube takes like 30% of the proceeds. So you guys give me $10 and I only get $7 after that. And then after taxes, I only really get like $4 and change. I'm not joking. Like, that's the way it works. It really sucks. It's really not that much, but yeah, it's just it kind of sucks. Hey, what's up, Dan? Dan's in here. What's up, dude? We were just talking about you, dude, because we're looking at Wink right now. Dan the man. This guy got me into crypto, man. We were working at a job together. We actually used to work at a hemp farm. It was so we started out in the warehouse making clones together. So it was just me and Dan. Dan and I we would just sit across at a desk all day. We'd just be making clones, you know, just be like trimming them up and then applying some of like the growing gel on it and then sticking in these trays. And these trays had like, I don't know, what was it, Dan? Like 70 cubes in it, just like little dirt things. That's all we did, like all day, every single day. And then once we were done making all the clones, they sent us out to the farm, like in the midsummer. It was like 100 degrees out in this farm. And it was just, I mean, I'm not too much of a farm worker, but man, that was some hard work. And then towards the end of the summer, they were like, okay, we don't need you anymore. Bye. And they fired all of us. And then that's when I put my foot down and was like, dude, screw this. I'm so freaking pissed off of like these businesses and these corporations just taking advantage of the little man and just getting rid of them when they don't need them. Dan and I were pissed. We were so pissed off. But yeah, dude, we just did a TA on Wink and I can't believe I looked in. I want to show you back here when we bought Tron, or when we bought Wink, was around this area back over here or somewhere in this area. Remember when you were telling me about it back here? Now look at it. I know you're probably going to rub it in my face. Oh, yeah, they were the good old days, man. But dude, I know for you and for me, we are far better off from that job. We are both have been very successful in the things that we have been doing. And I just want to thank you, man, live on the stream right now for introducing me to crypto, introducing me into mining. Hadn't I met you, Dan, I probably would still be doing the same crap and just not doing anything with my life. So thank you so much, Dan, literally from the bottom of my heart. I love you, bro. Thank you so much. So if you guys want to learn how to get into mining, go check out Let's Mine Coins. That's who Dan is. He has his own crypto channel where he teaches people how to build rigs. He teaches people how to change the BIOSes and pretty much, I mean, if you need to know anything about mining, Dan is your guy. Dan taught me everything I know, which was enabling me to build the farm that I have right now. This is like the Yoda of crypto. I'm telling you, he's been in it for a very long time. He knows all of his stuff. Go subscribe to his channel right now. I don't even care if you leave this stream, come back, you know, that's cool, but go subscribe to Let's Mine Coins. Really good things. He's got a lot of good information on his channel. He's in the Discord and he's in the Telegram. We actually have a mining channel in the Discord where you can go ask Dan questions or talk about if you wanted to start getting into mining. So that's my whole spiel about Dan. Yep, absolutely. So our freaking link isn't working, dude. Nobody can make a donation and I'm really mad. And the only way I can probably fix this is to end the stream and then come back in. But if you guys use the 1UpCoin link down below, it's actually really simple. It's very easy. And I can actually probably show you guys that. You can go into the 1UpCoin link. It'll show you my addresses for whatever coin you want to send. You know, if you don't want to send US dollar, then send it in GRT, Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever. I can tell it's broken right now because nothing's coming through, and that's very weird. I know people want to take a look at coins. A lot of people are telling me it's broken right now, and I'm really sorry. I don't know why it's not working. This is such bullcrap. This is bullcrap. I could try not doing it through Streamlabs and then just restart it, but then we're gonna lose all our viewers again. And look, we're barely getting back up there. We're barely getting back up there right now. So maybe this is just gonna be a crappy stream. I'll try it again tonight at 4 o'clock p.m. Mountain Standard Time. But yeah, he's Crypto Craig tried to send you a super chat and it just wasn't coming through. That's so disappointing. Come on, man. That's like having a digging business and you ain't got any shovels. Sucks. It sucks. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to fix it. Look at Ethereum, Dan. Look at Ethereum taking off right now. Over $1,900. Having the breakout of that triangle. A breakout target of $2,500, dude. Yep. Looking really good. So, crap. I don't know what to do. Do I restart? I don't even know what to do. This is such crap. I'm just gonna sit over here and pout and do nothing about it. I just don't know what to do. You keep skipping my messages, dude. Not cool. There's a lot of people in the chat, bro. I'm really sorry. I'm trying to like read everyone's stuff that's coming through, but let me look back in the past and see what you said. CKB is killing it. Yeah, anyways, I don't know, dude. Sorry, my bad. Like, I can't get to all the messages that come through. You'll make double next time. Okay, cool. I don't know why it's doing this. Zen, if you want to take a look at Flow, that would be great. Can't send you a super chat. We'll do it next time. Pinky promise. Man, how do I fix the super chat? I'm just going to restart. I'm going to restart, and we're going to try this again. I'm sorry, guys. We're going to restart. I'm just going to shut down the computer, restart it, and I'm actually not even going to stream through Streamlabs. I'm just going to go through regular OBS and see if that helps, because we can't do anything right now. So that really sucks. If you guys want to get the alert right away, go join the Discord or the Telegram down below. You'll get the messages instantly, and then you can pop right back in. So I'm going to go try to fix this. I'm really sorry about this, guys. But we'll be right back once again. Ugh, terrible. Sucks.